Today, I'll walk you through on how to add music to Snapchat. So if you want to add background music to Snapchat, if you want to add music to your Snapchat story, or you want to send a video or photo with music at Snap, this tutorial will guide you on how to do so. Alright, so open the Snapchat app, and right in the camera screen you can see a lot of icon in the right corner. So you can see the music icon. Just tap on it to open it, and this will open a list of available music on Snapchat. Music depending on your region, you can scroll through it. You can see the trending music in your region. You can search for music in other regions. Just use the search icon to search for your desired music. You can keep scrolling till you find your desired music and tap on it, the music you want to use on your story or you want to send on Snap. All right, let's make use of this. Now you can also adjust the slider to the part of the music you want. Maybe you don't want all the music, so you just adjust the slider to the part you want. Just keep adjusting, and once you're done, you can take a quick photo, use the record button to record a quick video that you want to use the music on and send it. You can also tap on the your photo icon in the left here, and this opens your gallery. You can select a photo or a video you want to use the music on. You can do anyone according to your preference. You can add other elements, stories elements to it, filters, editing, and the rest. Once you're done, you can send this as a snap or you add it to your story. And that is it, guys. It's very easy. This is a way you can add music to Snapchat. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to TechSub YouTube channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.